once we reveal the plates, you'll get it tattooed.
Yeah.
You can't back out.
Yeah, I won't.
Yeah.
I don't know how to spell.
You guys ready? Yeah. It's going to be so underwhelming, but here we go. The new plates are... Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another episode. Today, we have a very special episode. A few weeks ago, my WOMP WOMP plates got stolen out the front of my house. The police are still looking for the plates, but in the meantime, I asked you guys on my socials what the next plates should be. And I must say, a lot of you guys need Jesus. And now, a few weeks later, the new plates have arrived, and none of you guys have actually guessed it yet. Before I reveal the plates, let me know in the comment section down below what you think the new plates will be. But you guys know me, I can't just reveal the plates in a normal way. I am here with Cameron, Felix, and Ethan. We're headed to the Distortion meet tonight to finally unveil my new plates. Let's get some opinions on what people think of the plates. Cameron, what do you think of the new plates?
They're pretty cool.
Yeah, pretty cool. Do you think they're better than the the WOMP WOMP plates?
Probably. I'm surprised they're available, eh?
Yeah, I was surprised too.
Yeah.
Ethan, what do you think of the new plates?
Very tough, very tough.
Very tough?
Yeah.
I like it, I like it. Do you think they're better than the WOMP WOMP plates? You can be honest.
It matches them.
It matches them? Okay, I'll take that, I'll take that.
Sure.
Do I even want to ask you, Felix?
No, you don't.
What do you think of the plates?
Look, they're alright.
All right.
But nowhere near as good as WOMP WOMP.
Yeah. All right. Okay, so anyway.
But they're future-proof.
Yeah, they're future-proof. Yeah. Exactly. There have been a few hints as to what the new plates... Oh, they're right there. There have been a few hints as to what the new plates will be already displayed in the video. So have a go down below. List in the comments what you think they're going to be. What do you want?
They definitely match the content of Richie's Instagram. So if you guys watch Richie's Instagram channel, link in the description.
That's true.
Link in the description. Richie's Instagram. Felix's will be in there too. Slow Felix.
This guy, plug in right in the middle. Right in the middle.
Yeah, got it.
Let's go take some photos. I'm going to put the plates on and we're going to take some dope-ass photos. Thanks to this man right here, Ethan. Go check his socials out down below. Plug yourself real quick.
Yeah, man. ETP.media on everything pretty much.
On everything. Dope content, amazing videographer, photographer. And this is just Cameron.
Hello.
Give us a cool sign out like Batman. We have rocked up here at Distortion an hour early. We're here as they're setting up. We have removed the mysterious plates. I did just put up a video of the new plates on my socials. Make sure you go check it out. And in the video, there is a sneak peek of what the plates are. I don't think anyone's noticed yet, but the plates are in there. Got the cars lined up. I spoke to Josh and they're gonna have games, which is something I think that Distortion does that is really nice. They've got a lot of fun things for you to do here at the meets while you're waiting, which is pretty awesome. Once we've had a nice feed, we'll organize the cars. I don't know when I'm going to do a nice reveal, but there are a lot of hints in this video. I hope people like it. I think that's my big thing. I'm really nervous. I'm not nervous for people to see the plates. I'm nervous for people to tell me what they think about the plates. I hope they like them. You know, I hope they like the plates.
I hope for the phone call that I'm going to have to put up with that you guys like the plates. So.
Yeah. I will complain to Felix on the drive home about, Felix, they hated the plates. And he'll be like, Richard, it's okay. It's okay. But no, they hate me. So I hope you guys really like the plates. Let me know what you think after I've shown you guys down below. Damn. Also, we just got a sponsor. Too Savage. If you guys need any Too Savage glasses, use my promo code Richie. You'll get 10% off at the checkout. They are awesome. Brand new pair. Twist test. Look at that. Literally nothing. They're perfect. We ran them over with the car. Future video coming up, but if you guys need anything Too Savage, safety glasses or whatever, stylish and amazing, check them out. It'll be linked down below. You get 10% off. Use code Richie again. Support me, please. Yep. I need to feed my children. Look who we have. It's Ethan.
Hello.
Ethan. And he's parked up Animal. In case you guys forgot, the 11...
Where I shouldn't park.
Yeah, where I shouldn't park. The 1100 horsepower Ford Territory. If you guys haven't seen the video where we went roll racing with this, go and check it out. It will be linked in the description below. Cheeky merch reveal right here. Are you ready? Are you excited for the plate reveal?
I'm so excited for the reveal, even though I already know what the plates are.
Yeah. I'm nervous. I'm nervous what people think of the plates. Are you guys excited for the plates?
Yeah.
What do you guys think? Give us your... What do you think the plate's going to be?
No idea.
Give us a guess.
Actually, no idea.
No idea? All right, what's your guess?
I'm just going to say WOMP.
WOMP? Okay.
Nice and short. I'm just going with it.
WOMP as well? All right. That's some lame guesses, man. I like them. I think they're f***ing dope. I don't know how no one's picked the plates before. Do you know the plates? What the plates are?
I don't. I wish. I've been begging you on Instagram and Snapchat, bro.
I ain't saying nothing.
Please.
I ain't saying nothing. What's your guess? What's your guess?
Oh, I'm taking my suggestion, Free Falk, please.
Free Falk?
Please.
See, that would be good. That would be good. But it's not. It's not free found. No one has guessed it. We're going to go and we're going to have a look at what Distortion Cruises has to offer. All right, so you've got the main event over there with the main cars, the Distortion boys. No?
The main event's over
The main
here.
event? The main car's right there. Is that right, Ethan?
Main event's over here.
There, the main event's there.
Got this Mitsubishi Lancer in all of its glory.
All of its glory. I did see you talking to some people about it.
I was.
You get a lot of attention?
I do get it. You know what? For such a weird, like, car, I get a lot of attention.
Yeah, probably because you parked in a pram bay. You got slow. Man, I don't know how he gets away with being that low.
He's been defected 3 times?
3 times. Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
My God. That is wild. What the hell?
Stop either, because there's no damage on that.
No, there isn't. Look how close. It's like touching.
Yeah, that's precision work.
Imagine like the tiniest bit of movement just ran straight over. If you guys are enjoying the episode so far, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. So the Distortion boys just announced we're going to be playing a game of tug of war.
This is interesting for me. I've never seen this before.
Oh, it's never been done before.
Maybe
I'm curious to see how it goes. Do we go in, boys?
Oh yeah.
Are you feeling strong?
All the boys, man, just send it.
We're gonna have to do it.
Are you feeling strong, Felix?
I'm not strong, but we're gonna have to do it.
A few moments later.
All right, we're going to jump in, number 1. We've seen Squid Game, hey?
I'll explain it. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Use your Squid Game tactic. Come out, let yourself while playing. You're the green, right?
Yes! The betrayal. The betrayal, my own friend.
You're not. You're not.
My own friend.
You guys got to switch.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
You guys ready?
So as soon as Cam says one, you can start pulling, alright?
Okay. Hey, they're already pulling. They're already pulling.
Let's get a drum roll going. Drum roll, drum roll, drum roll. Come on, guys. Really
Hey,
2.
hey, they're already tugging.
1. Go!
We snapped the rope!
Richie, you
I think we win!
Yeah, that means we won though.
Hey, maybe one day, mate, you should start
Mate, that was rigged. He cut the rope beforehand. That was rigged.
I haven't hit the gym in 2 years.
Neither.
That was definitely rigged.
I've never hit the gym.
That's bullshit,
That was rigged.
man.
That was rigged.
That was fucking rigged.
Back in your line.
Little muscle. We have some news. This guy right here. Tell the viewers what you just said.
Alright, so when the plate reveal comes, I've got my tattoo gun. Leave me alone. I've got my tattoo gun, and I will tattoo on my leg.
This
The
guy
plate
is
says.
about to tattoo whatever the plate is. He doesn't even know.
Nah.
He's going to tattoo it on his leg.
Yep.
Dear God. Are you sure?
I'll do it.
Legally, you can't sue me.
Yeah.
Done.
Yeah.
All right.
I'll do it.
What the hell? What the hell? You don't even know what the plate is.
Yeah.
He could say goth mummy.
Yeah. I hope it does. I hope it does.
It could say milk hunter.
You want one of them?
Yes!
Wow, anything. It could be anything.
Yeah, I don't care.
Once we reveal the plates, you'll get it tattooed.
Yeah.
Can't back out.
Yeah, I won't.
Bet.
And I'm sitting on your car while doing it.
You can sit on this side right here.
And I'll like just bang.
Done.
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 I'm so nervous. I hope people enjoy the plates. That's what I'm more nervous of. I'm not nervous in front of the people. I'm nervous. Yeah. This guy's nervous. He's about to get it tattooed on him.
Yeah.
But I'm very nervous. Only because like it's a lot weighing on it. Like people don't notice, but it's a lot weighing on it. It's the brand of the plates. It's the future brand of, in Chatterbox. It's the future brand of the car.
Speaking of Chatterbox, merch is dropping. Link in description.
Yeah, merch is dropping. All right, hopefully the next shot that you see is us revealing the plates.
Hope so. Let's do it.
Let's boogie, baby.
20 minutes later.
Right, so we do have a special guest tonight. I guess you could say that. I mean,
I guess.
special in whatever way you want it to be special. We got Richie here. But we might as well start off with the joke of the day. So, because why not? Chat, clip this one, all right?
Clip this chat.
Why did the golfer get a new pair of pants?
Why,
Josh? Because he got a hole in one. I'll pass the microphone over.
All right. Ooh, hello. I just want to say a massive thank you to Josh and Cam and the crew at Distortion for having me here.
Our pleasure.
I mean, yeah, it's pretty awesome turnout. So, those who don't know me, I own the car that used to have the WOMP WOMP plates. And unfortunately, they were stolen.
Can we get a
Yeah, womp womp, right? I know. I know. God, yeah, it pains me, but today, the boys at Distortion are letting me unveil my new plates today. So, I hope everyone likes them. I hope they're nice. And if they're not, it's going on YouTube, so make sure you make a nice, loud ruckus.
Take your shirt off.
That's later. All right.
Everybody get ready.
Damn. All right, you guys ready? Yeah. It's going to be so underwhelming, but here we go. Are you ready? The new plates are brain rot. Brain rot, baby! I know.
You should have gone gag and dragon, man.
Rolling heavy with a pistol, never like it lead. Bullet through your fucking head. Evil will need to be fed. If you try to hide, no you won't, no you won't. The evil is inside of my motherfucking mind. Killing is so easy when you packing all these tools. If you try to play me, I'ma play you like a fool.
A reminder, Distortion and Richie do not endorse any of this. You can't take legal action.
No.
What a wild card. His name is Ash. I'll put his stuff, his socials, down below. Everyone be quiet because I don't want to disturb the stuff going on. Oh, we got a drum roll too. Jesus, look at this madman. What a madman.
He's autistic?
I don't know how to spell brain.
So this guy Ash is now tattooing my license plate, my new license plate, brain rot. He has to look at it because he doesn't know how to spell brain. He's tattooing it on his knee. Oh my days. Oh my God. Brain rot. How do you feel, Ash?
I feel pretty good.
You feel good?
I feel pretty good.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. How do you feel about what you just did?
Pretty good. Stinging just a little bit, but that's what happened.
You're a literal madman. I love it, and I love that. I hope you guys like the plates. If you guys have enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Way to go.
Brain rot. Yeah. Follow me on all my socials. Ash's socials will be linked down below. If you guys like the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next video.
Yep. See ya.
See ya. Peace out.